How to get a crocus in Grow a Garden. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel App Guide. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can grow a crocus in Grow a Garden. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to get crocus in Grow a Garden, there are a couple of steps that we can follow. If you open this wiki page, it's going to show us that the crocus is a single harvest, limited type, flower type, uncommon crop introduced during the week 3 of the BusyBee event, which has already expired by the way. But if you want to obtain it, you can obtain in one of the following 3 ways. The first is if you purchase the crafter's seed pack, which have a 40% chance of getting a crocus seed also over there. So when you have crocus seed, you can plant a crocus plant. Then you can open any remaining exotic crafter's seed pack, which have a 39% chance, or any rainbow sack, which has a 30% chance. And this way you'll be able to get crocus in Grow a Garden. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.